Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to cover about nutrient management and their importance in agriculture crop. So this nutrient management topic come under Unit 3 of agronomy course. So let me share a presentation with you. Nutrient management. It refers to the efficient use of crop to improve productivity of crop. It is necessary to balance the soil nutrient input with the crop requirement. If the nutrients are applied at the right time and in proper quantity, we can achieve optimum crop yield. And if this applied in a huge amount, it will harm the crop. And even if applied in small quantity, it limits the yield. We have macronutrients as well as micronutrients. The primary macronutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, whereas the secondary nutrients are calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. There are 7 micronutrients: boron, copper, iron, chlorine, manganese, molybdenum, and zinc. So these all help the plant to grow well. So coming to the importance of nutrient management, like nutrient management is important because it helps to reduce contamination to waterway by plant nutrients. It also helps to improve the fertility of soil. It also enhance the plant productivity. It also reduce the cost of chemical fertilizer. Nutrient management also provide balanced nutrition to the standing crop. And nutrient management promotes carbon separation, and that leads to prevent the deterioration of soil, water, ecology, and also leaching of nutrients from the soil. Coming to the manure and fertilizer in nutrient management. Manure contain small quantity of nutrients and large quantity of organic matter. It enriches the soil with nutrients and organic matter by increasing its fertility. Bulk organic matter improves soil structure, which increases water retaining capacity in sandy soil, and that also helps in drainage and in water clogging in clayey soil. Manure also contain biological waste obtained as a result of recycling and is preferred over the use of fertilizers. Manure is basically it can be classified in two ways. First one is compost and vermicompost. Like compost is carrying out using farm waste, whereas vermicompost is prepared using earthworms. Now coming to the fertilizers. Fertilizers are produced commercially for plant nutrients, providing macronutrients to ensure the good vegetative growth of the crop. They also yield more crop and result in high cost farming. And the use of fertilizers need to be monitored properly, as excessive fertilizer get washed away without being absorbed by the soil, which also results in water getting polluted. And the continuous use of fertilizer causes harm to the microorganisms that live in the soil, which are beneficial in carrying out agriculture process. And to yield optimum crop production, we have to minimize the use of fertilizer, and we have to maximize the use of manure so that soil health will be in better condition. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you all will understand the topic which I had covered in this video. So happy learning.